Good morning everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to cook a non-Filipino recipe which I learned from my working colleague, Indian's working colleague. You know, during our break time, a long time ago when I was working as a theater nurse, during our break time and having a lunch, we have a chit chat. Oh, what you got there? What you got there? So we exchange recipes, you know. So now I am going to cook the recipe that I learned from them, which is the plain biryani rice. So these are the ingredients: whole spices, rest of the ingredients. Before we start cooking, we have to lit a candle so it will absorb the undesirable smell, in the kitchen, in the whole kitchen. Now that my cooking pot is hot, I will then put the ghee butter. First, the what do you call this? Yung cashew nuts. I'll fry the cashew nuts and set aside for garnishing later. Okay. Okay. So I'll put these cashew nuts now. I'll just need to fry till golden brown and then set aside. Okay, so I will now add the cooking oil, then add the whole spices. Okay. And for the exact measurement, guys, please check the description box below. The cloves. All the whole spices we put in and then, okay. Okay, all the whole spices, make them together. Right, the whole spices is been ready, so I will now add the sliced onion. we need to cook the onions till it becomes a golden brown. Okay, now that the onion is light brown, we now then put the ginger and garlic paste. Okay, so I then add I will now add the water and the milk. There. Give a stir. There we go. And I will now add my chili and the salt, and then allow to boil before we will add the rice, the basmati rice. As you can see, guys, it's now boiling. That's it. Now we will then put the basmati rice. I soak this, guys, for about 30 minutes prior to this. Okay, so give a mix. We will cook it for 3 minutes in a high heat and then lower it down. So right, so after 3 minutes of high heat, we have then to lower down. Yeah, lower down the heat now. And then covered and cook for another 5 minutes. Okay. And a low heat. Okay. Right, so we now gently in the rice. Okay. Drizzle the saffron with milk. Okay. And the ghee, butter. Okay. Cover it and continue to cook for another 5 minutes in a low fire. That's it. Okay, I'll be right back when it's all done. All the cashew nuts is there as well. We need to. Okay, so let's check now. There we go, our plain biryani rice. So, ano lang natin, guys. Ibuhag-hag lang natin. Ganyan. Kaya, we just gently okay. Nice. Now, we will just need now to transfer into a serving dish. Yeah. Lovely. Okay. I'll just transfer into a dish now. You can remove the whole spices, guys, if you like. Alright guys, so our biryani rice, plain biryani rice is ready. I'm real sorry guys, if you hear the background, my daughter is having a voice lesson in the background in the other room. Okay, yeah. So there we go guys. It's really nice. Okay, so have a look. There we go. Very nice. Okay guys, so titikman ko lang guys. I really like the cashew nuts. The cashew nuts guys is just optional. It's really nice. It's not really spicy because my family doesn't like it spicy, that very spicy, so I just added one chili, if you noticed earlier. But it's up to you guys. If you want it spicy, you can adjust. Yeah. So for the exact measurements, guys, please check the description box below. Come guys, come enjoy. Shoutout muna tayo kay UPS Rexy Vlogs, Theus Vlog, Bells Japan, Chris Fox Channel, Lucy Takuban, Crystal Wanderlust Diary, Shy Heart Explorer, Cecilia B. Ireland, Alni TV, Bianca Puppet, The Beef Channel, and Mama Cuisinera. Tomorrow in my next video guys, and tomorrow I will be cooking a lamb curry. Perfect combination for my biryani rice. So lamb curry coming soon, coming tomorrow guys. So see you tomorrow, and please, if you're not subscribed yet into my channel, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you will get notified every time that I will upload a new videos. Bye.